Hey guys, Harsh here, back in video. So today I have another 1991 DTM car for you. This is the part of my 90s DTM collection because the car looks absolutely sick in this one. So today I have the Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evolution 2 with the car number 78, and I have actually reviewed the another car, but that was wholly in green color, and that is the only information that I can give you right now. But the main reason I bought this car is because of their mainly design. I'm still quite fond of the old car design that they used to have, not just like now with all the curves and sort of like that. I really like the boxy shape of the cars. That's why I bought these particular cars, and the DTM have the race livery on them as well. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what we get inside. Mini GT number 395. So if you want to get it for yourself, you can just type in that and you will find it in most of the hobby or like toy shops that sell diecast models. So comes in this standard Mini GT packaging, as you can see. And here is the car itself with this very nice red and white livery on the car, and kind of looks like a Ferrari Marlboro livery car, to be honest. So one of the best feature about this car is the front of the grille. So if you look closely, you can see the headlights, which are quite clearly visible. And if you look at the indicators as well, these are all plastic inserts, very nice to see. And you can see that the headlight shape, the squarish type of shape, is quite clearly visible on the car, which is very nice to see. And something you don't see is the paint bleeding issue on Mini GT. So here, as you can see, we have some sort of white paint spilling over the black grille right under the Bridgestone logo. So not ideal at all, but I think it's just a quite simple fix, although you will need a very thin paintbrush. Then if you take a look at the front grille, then you can see it is in chrome finish, very nice to see, along with the Mercedes logo. And in my previous video I have also said that this Mercedes logo is quite sturdy, so no idea how they were able to make this small thing very sturdy enough so that it won't break away quite easily. Very nice to see as well. And on the front bumper, you can see we have the West logo, Bridgestone shell, and the Shell logo on the side there, as you can see as well. On the hood we have another West logo and some Bosch logo as well on top of the headlights there, as you can see. Quite clearly printed, so no complaints here at all in terms of the print quality. On the windshield we have the wiper, which is at the center of the car, and if you look at the windshield to the light, you can see we have some sort of feathering going on onto the windshield. It's not even, so that's why you see that. So it is also on the side windows there, as you can see as well. It would have been nice to see a clear reflective surface, but it is what it is. And talking about the mirrors, as always, these are rubberized mirrors painted in the car livery without the reflector backing on them. Now if you move to the side door, we can see we have the West logo again along with the number 78 and some more logos at the bottom there, as you can see, quite clearly printed as well. And we have the driver over here, which is E-Lore, which I'm absolutely no idea who that is, which I have said in the starting of the video. I'm not very knowledgeable in DTM stuff, but I really like the car, that's why I collect them. Now if you look at the wheels, this is probably one of the parts of the car that I really do not like. I mean, it is just a boring red rim with the black tire that does not even have treads on them, but that is okay. I mean, these I think are slicks tire. I don't think that slicks tires were even used in racing, so not sure if they just stuck with realism or stuck with laziness, but it is what it is. Nice to see some rubber tires other than the Hot Wheels car. The drivetrain, however, is quite detailed, as you can see, with the exhaust pipes and the drivetrain suspension clearly visible, along with the model maker and the country of origin. And if you try to take a look at the interior, it is nothing much interesting, just a steering wheel, single seat, and all the seats from the back and the front are removed, so that weighs less for the racing purposes. And then if you move to the back window, you can see we have these sort of lines, which I think these are for the heating purposes, so that way the ice won't stick to the back windshield. So that's pretty nice to see as well, the details there. Now moving to the back side there, we have another Mercedes logo, which you can see right at the underneath of the spoiler and on top of the license plate, which has no plate on it, obviously, because this is a racing car. It races on track, not on roads. And the spoiler, it just simple spoiler, nothing too special about it, but for some reason I quite really like the simple design on it and the boxy shape which is given to it, not some squiggly panels or nothing like that. And then if you look at the back headlights, these are also plastic inserts, which I think are one of the best headlights that I've seen on Mini GT, so that's pretty nice to see as well. And underneath that we have a silver painted exhaust with black inside, and this is the, I can say, the holy grail of exhaust, because it is quite hard to find an exhaust system on diecast car which is quite accurately detailed, and to see that in a Mini GT is also quite special, because what Mini GT usually does is just just keep the whole exhaust in black color. So all in all, a pretty nice model to have in your collection if you are a DTM fan or just like the old-fashioned cars, especially the Mercedes. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you like it, and if you have any doubts or comments regarding this video, you can comment down below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So until then, I will catch you all in the next one.